everybody, welcome back to my channel Cuts and Wings. If this is your first time here, I really appreciate you stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a face mask to avoid makeup stains. So with me here, I have two face masks. This one is a fabric mask, which I will show you how to make, and this is a regular face mask. So from experience, you would understand that when you put on this face mask, you can have makeup stains, and I'm going to show you right here how that happens. The fabric mask has more room, which provides enough breathing space and also avoids stains from lipstick. So you can see makeup on my face mask. So if you want to see how I made this face mask, keep watching. In this first step, I'll be starting off with a 12 by 12 inch fabric, and I'm just measuring to make sure that my dimensions are correct. Here I'm using a single piece of fabric, and this is going to give me only one face mask. So if you need 5 face masks, please be sure to use 5 pieces. In this next step, I'll be folding my piece twice to form a perfect square. From the midpoint, I'm going to be measuring 6 inches where available to guide me in cutting off the unwanted fraction of the fabric. After getting rid of the unneeded fraction, I'm unfolding my fabric once. Thereafter, I'm giving it a second fold in the opposite direction. Next, I'm going in with my scissors to get rid of the excess fabric on both sides. This will help create an oval shape, which will provide sufficient area for our face mask. Unfolding our fabric, you'll find that we have an intersection in the middle. Simply go in with your scissors and split that to obtain 2 pieces. Go ahead and place both pieces together, right sides facing each other. In my case, I actually had the right side and the wrong side face each other on purpose because I wanted to show the effect of makeup on this. Grab your tape and measure 1.75 to 2 inches from the tip of our fabric. Do this on the right and the left side as well as both tips of the piece. Use a pencil or chalk to mark that out. After doing this, I'll go ahead and stitch the 2 pieces together from end to end, following the marks I just made. I'm going ahead to snip my piece to help it lay flat when we flip sides. After giving it a good press, I went ahead to cut out my elastic, and in my case I measured 8 inches, but you can measure longer. I think between 8 to 10 inches should be okay. Moving on, I decided to try something different because trying to get pleats out of this piece was a bit challenging. So I decided to go ahead and press it again and create a pleats with the iron. So that way pinning them down was much more easier. Since my pleats are already very visible, I go ahead and define them more and just hold them down with pins. Be sure to hold down the pleats on both sides of the mask. I have about 6 pleats on my face mask, and I remember adding 2 more when I went ahead to sew around the face mask. The more pleats you have, the more room you have on your face mask. So if you have a possibility of adding in many more pleats, then by all means do so. Now it's time to fit inner elastic. So go ahead and pin those down as well. Now that everything has come together nicely, the next step will be to sew our mask all around, just once, and that should be fine. And voila! We have our face mask with so much room. It's very breathable, and most importantly, it's leaving that lipstick intact, girl. So please be sure to try out this face mask at home, and thank you very much for watching. Bye!